I'm back and so glad to be here. Almost 10 years. Grabe race. It was fun. The bike course was fun. Congratulations, Carlos and SBR and Duaman. I'm looking forward to the next race.
Nakakatuwa na lumalaki yung community ng multisport. Definitely, i-share ko to sa mga more friends pa to join the next Swim Bike Run events.
Duaman X2! It's my first time to join the X2.
Second time ako sumali sa Duaman. Actually, last time parang nasa 184 pounds ako. Ngayon, nasa 160 na. So I think kung gusto natin magpapayat, sumali tayo sa Duaman.
So yung mga hindi pa nakakasali, sumali na kayo at mag-i-enjoy kayo.
Hopefully, matuloy ulit siya next year.
Ang solid po ng palaro ng duathlon ng mga duathlon race po.
Duaman X2. Mahirap pero masarap.